That's a hog. Yeah, a hog, a water hog, a boar. That's his brother. Yeah. Those are both the same guys. And see, there's another one. Is that a pig? Well, hog, pig. They say something like that. That's a monkey. Yeah, and another monkey. That monkey got a coconut, huh? See what he got in his hand. He got a coconut in his hand. Hanging in the tree. He gonna bump his head? Oh, really? On that tree? Yeah, he got a big head too. Look at. Yeah, he's gonna hit the tiger in the head. He's hanging down and go get the tiger. See, what's the name? You know the name of that book? That's Simba. You know, and Simba was a tiger. You know, Simba the tiger? Huh? Is that the name? Hmm? Which one's the tiger, Simba? Where's Simba the tiger? Yeah, show me Simba the tiger. Oh.
That's a lion.
And there's another lion.
That's a lion.
Yeah.
Who's that?
That's another lion.
Yes. That's
Hyenas.
hyena. That's another big tiger.
Yeah.
That's another big tiger. Horses.
Horses.
The horses are running.
They running?
Yes.
They run fast?
And the hyenas.
The hyenas?
The hyenas were running.
Yeah. They're mean too.
The hyenas were growling.
Yeah, they're mean. They laugh at you. Hyenas laugh. They go. Did you know that? Huh? Tell mommy, say hyenas go. You gonna remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
You gonna remember that? What do hyenas go? How do hyenas sound?
It's the hyenas.
The hyenas say.
The hyenas is
Yeah, that's what hyenas do. They laugh at you. Okay, okay. Grandpa's been up for a minute.